On April 3, 2026, a rare and violent supercell storm tore through Guiyang, the capital of Guizhou province in southern China, unleashing giant hailstones, destructive winds, and intense thunderstorms that left widespread disruption. The storm struck hardest in Huaxi district, Qingzhen city, and Guanshanhu district, where residents described the scene as resembling a bombing raid of ice. Within minutes, hailstones as large as pigeon eggs pounded the city, smashing car windows, denting vehicle bodies, and forcing people to seek immediate shelter.
很难就形容去。是不是？入入口的感觉。
我们跟小车，大车我们都不要跟。
By evening, roads across several neighborhoods were buried under thick layers of hail, some reaching up to 30 centimeters deep. In low-lying areas, the accumulation rose nearly to car door height, immobilizing vehicles and bringing traffic to a standstill. Locals describe the streets as turning into glaciers and rivers of ice, an unprecedented sight for the region. The extreme weather event unfolded between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., lasting roughly 20 minutes, but its impact was immediate and severe. The storm was accompanied by level 10 thunderstorms, powerful wind gusts, and short bursts of heavy rainfall, significantly reducing visibility and creating hazardous road conditions. Residents reported widespread damage. Car windows were shattered, rooftops were battered, and slippery roads led to dangerous driving conditions. In one dramatic incident, a 20-meter retaining wall near Jiaxiu Tower collapsed, highlighting the storm's intensity. Infrastructure disruptions quickly followed. Thousands of households experienced power outages, while 7 flights were canceled and multiple high-speed train services were delayed. Emergency services were stretched as they responded to stranded motorists and hazardous conditions. One resident, Mr. Wu, recounted being trapped at an intersection as hail piled around his vehicle. After the storm subsided, melting ice caused his wheels to freeze in place. He remained stuck for nearly 2 hours before being rescued by a joint effort involving traffic police, firefighters, and local volunteers. "I've lived in Guiyang my whole life," he said, "and I've never seen hailstones this large." Meteorological experts attribute this extreme convective weather event to the collision of cold and warm air masses over Guizhou during spring, combined with the region's complex mountainous terrain. These conditions created a powerful uplift in the atmosphere, triggering the formation of a supercell storm system, known for producing large hail, severe winds, and localized destruction. Authorities are now urging residents across southern China to remain highly vigilant as similar weather patterns continue to develop across the region. Sudden and severe storms, especially those involving hail and strong winds, can form rapidly with little warning.